Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to do a quick video on showing you how to reset the oil maintenance required message that comes on the dashboard. Please subscribe, hit the like button, leave an oil comment, enjoy the video. Let's get stuck in. Okay, so what I've done there now is I've turned off the ignition. It's set on trip A, so that's what the one you need to have it on is trip A. So we're going to hold in the odometer now on trip A, hold it in. I turn on the ignition. When I turn on the ignition, we're going to get these flashing dots. 4, 3, 2, 1, dump. That's it. Perfect. Let go of that. And then turn off the ignition. Turn it back on. And that's it set then. That's how you reset your maintenance message on a Toyota Avensis T27 D4D. It's a I think most Avensis like this petrol you'll be able to do it as well. But that's how it's done. Really simple. Please subscribe. Hit the like button. I hope you enjoyed. Take care.